Alright, so we have got a Redmi Note 9 Pro back camera lens glass broken. So I've heated up and now remove it carefully, pick it up. It's quite easy once you heat it a bit on a heat pad or with a heat gun, and cleans the camera lens for any particles, glass left behind. Make sure it's clean really well. Once that done, we will take out the camera lens, which you can order online, eBay, Amazon, whatever is easy for you or from your local market. So we will take out double-sided adhesive tape. We'll remove any packing from it and apply it carefully. Watch for the camera itself. Once that's done, we will apply the camera lens itself carefully. Just check for the camera, old camera lens, to make sure you apply right way. Make sure no fingerprint or anything left behind. Yes, there we go. That is it. It's all installed. It doesn't look like the exact one. It looks like some compatible model, but it does work. It fits really well. And yeah, that is it. Thank you. Thanks for watching.